everyone! Ahojte! Today in Linguarte, we would like to show you the nationalities in the Slovak language. You can find the link in the description where you can download a document with the lesson and practices. Let's start! Začíname! Let's begin with the nationalities of the different continents. For this, we would say European, Európan, Európanka, American, Američan, Američanka, Asian, Asiat, Asiatka, African, Afričan, Afričanka, Oceanian, Oceánsky. As you can see, in the Slovak language, we use different endings when using masculine or feminine nationalities. Regarding the countries within Europe, let's start with Central Europe. Then we say Slovak, Slovak, Czech, Czech, Poliak, Polish, Magyar, Hungarian, Rakúšan, Austrian. For Western Europe, we would have Němec, German, Talian, Italian, Francúz, French, Španěl, Spaniard, Belgičan, Belgian, Švajčiar, Swiss, Holandian, Dutch, Portugalčan, Portuguese. In Northern Europe, we have Dan, Danish, Švéd, Swedish, Nor, Norwish, Finn, Finn, Lotyš, Latvian, Estonec, Estonian, Litovec, Lithuanian. For the countries part of Great Britain, Angličan, English, Škót, Scottish, Ír, Irish, Belgian, Welsh. In the south of Europe, we say Chorvát, Croatian, Grek, Greek, Rumun, Romanian, Srb, Serbian, Slovinec, Slovenian, Bulhar, Bulgarian, Albanec, Albanian, Bosnian, Bosnian. The countries in the east of Europe are Belarus, Belarusian, Ukrainec, Ukrainian, Rus, Russian, Moldavčan, Moldavian. The nationalities in the American continent are Canadian, Canadian, Američan, American, Mexican, Mexican, Kubánec, Cuban, Dominikanec, Dominican, Puerto Rican, Puerto Rican, Jamaican, Jamaican, Belizean, Belizean, Guatemalčan, Guatemalan, Hondurasan, Honduran, Salvadorčan, Salvadoran, Nicaraguičan, Nicaraguan, Costaričan, Costa Rican, Panamčan, Panamanian, Kolumbinčan, Colombian, Venezuelčan, Venezuelan, Ekvádorčan, Ecuadorian, Peruánec, Peruvian, Bolívičan, Bolivian, Brazílčan, Brazilian, Chilan, Chilean, Paraguayčan, Paraguayan, Uruguayčan, Uruguayan, Argentínčan, Argentinian. Some of the nationalities in Asia are Afgánec, Arménec, Azerbajčanec, Ind, Bangladešan, Kambodžan, Číňan, Indonézan, Iránec, Izraelčan, Japonec, Kórejčan, Kyrgyzstanec, Malajzíčan, Mongolčan, Nepálčan, Pakistanec, Filipínec, Saudčan, Singapurčan, Sýrčan, Tajvanec, Tajčan, Tajec, Emirátčan, Vietnamec. In the African continent, we have Alzírčan, Angolčan, Beninčan, Kamerunčan, Konžan, Egypťan, Etiópčan, Keňan, Libiec, Maročan, Senegalčan, Seychelčan, Seychelan, Juhoafričan, Tunisan, and finally in Oceania we have these countries: Austrálčan, Novozélandian, Papuanic, Samojčan. It's time to practice. Try to say the following nationalities in the Slovak language: German, Němec, Spanish, Španěl, Chinese, Číňan, English, Angličan. Very nice practice! We hope you enjoyed the lesson. Let us know in the comments what other phrases you would like to study. If you are interested in learning Slovak in a modern way, visit our website to learn more about our courses. Continue practicing Slovak with other of our videos, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye! Ciao!